Okay, stop scrolling. If you're planning a summer wedding and still haven't figured out your centerpieces yet, you are in the right place. I'm about to show you 8 jaw-dropping DIY summer wedding centerpiece ideas that brides are absolutely obsessed with right now. And the best part? Every single one is something you can actually make yourself, even if you've never touched a flower in your life. We're talking lush, luxurious, magazine-worthy centerpieces that do not require a 5-figure floral budget. Some of these look like they came straight off Pinterest, and they're about to become your reality. So whether you're the bride, the maid of honor doing research late at night, or an event decorator looking for fresh summer inspiration, this video is for you. Save this one, because you're going to want to come back to it. Let's go. Before we jump in, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt stuck trying to figure out where to buy quality decor? Like, who actually has good pieces? And why does everything either look cheap or cost way too much? Because let's be honest, one wrong vendor can cost you money, time, and even your reputation. That's exactly why I created my A-list vendor directory. This is not just a list, it's your shortcut to trusted event vendors. Inside, you get access to 100+ vendors for fresh flowers, realistic silk flowers, centerpieces, linens, chargers, balloons, chairs, and so much more. Because the truth is, your designs can only go as far as your resources. When you have the right vendors, you design better, source faster, price better, and move like a professional. So if you're serious about saving time, making smarter decisions, and elevating your designs, go ahead and grab my A-list vendor directory in the description below. Now let's get into today's video. Okay, gorgeous people. Summer is here, and these centerpiece ideas, they're going to make your guests lose it. I picked 8 stunning and completely doable DIY summer wedding centerpieces that are trending right now. And for each one, I'm giving you the look, what you need, a pro tip, and a cost estimate. Let's jump into idea number 1. 1. The floating cloud centerpiece. Imagine a soft round ball of white pampas grass, baby's breath, white roses, and feathery textures, either suspended on a clear rod or sitting on top of a tall, clear vase. This look is ethereal. It feels like the tables are floating on clouds. To make it, you'll need a floral foam sphere, white pampas grass, baby's breath, white roses, and soft, feather-like stems for texture. Place it on a clear acrylic riser or cylinder vase. My pro tip? Start with the biggest pieces first to create the shape, then fill in the gaps with baby's breath. And for a smart little trick, place a mirror tile underneath the vase. Guests across the table will feel like they're seeing double. This look usually runs about $25 to $45. 2. The citrus garden centerpiece. If you want your wedding to feel like an Italian summer dream, this one is for you. Picture a wooden crate or terracotta planter filled with lemons, eucalyptus, white flowers, and small candles tucked in between. It feels fresh, bright, romantic, and perfect for summer. You'll need a wooden crate or planter, fresh or faux lemons, eucalyptus, white ranunculus or peonies, and a few slim taper candles. Pro tip, layer your greenery first, then add the lemons at different heights. Let some drape over the edge so it feels effortless and natural. This style usually costs around $30 to $55. 3. The Boho terrarium centerpiece Bohemian Brides. This one is for you. Think of a tall geometric terrarium filled with white sand, moss, pebbles, dried pampas, lavender, and soft dried florals. It feels wild, artistic, and beautifully undone. You'll need a glass terrarium, white sand or gravel, preserved moss, pampas grass, dried lavender, dried florals, and a warm fairy light strand. Pro tip, do not make this one too perfect. Let the stems lean. Let pieces spill over. The beauty is in the messiness. At night, those fairy lights glowing inside make this centerpiece unforgettable. Cost is usually around $35 to $60. 4. The Sunset Water Glow Centerpiece. This one is pure poetry. Picture 3 clear cylinder vases in different heights, each filled with softly tinted water in blush, peach, and coral. Add floating candles inside, then surround the base with greenery and tea lights. It's soft, glowy, and absolutely beautiful at dusk. You'll need 3 cylinder vases, floating candles, floral tint or food coloring, rose petals, greenery, and small candle holders. My pro tip: add only 1 drop of color at a time. You want the water soft and translucent, not too bold, and always group the vases in a loose triangle, not a straight line. This one usually costs around $20 to $40. 5. The Fairytale Forest Centerpiece. If you want your wedding to feel magical, this is it. Start with a rustic wood slice. Cover it with moss, then add small bud vases filled with white orchids, soft ferns, and glowing fairy lights. It feels like something straight out of a storybook. You'll need a wood slice, sheet moss, orchid stems, delicate greenery, bud vases, and warm fairy lights. Pro tip: lightly mist the moss before the event. It gives off the freshest, earthy scent and makes the whole table feel like an experience. This one runs around $40 to $65. 6. The Coastal Mason Jar Centerpiece Beach Brides. This is your moment. Take a cluster of mason jars in different sizes, wrap some in twine, leave some clear, and fill them with blue and white hydrangeas, roses, and greenery. Then scatter shells, driftwood, and candlelight around them. It's romantic, coastal, and completely unique. You'll need mason jars, twine, hydrangeas, white roses, greenery, seashells, driftwood, and tea lights. Pro tip: spread a little fine sand around the base and press the shells into it. It instantly creates that styled seaside look. This centerpiece is usually about $25 to $50. 7. The Tropical Glam Centerpiece. This one is bold, dramatic, and fashion-forward. Take large tropical leaves, spray paint them gold or rose gold, and arrange them in a sleek black or gold vase with white flowers and deep, glossy greenery. The contrast is stunning. You'll need monstera leaves or palm fronds, metallic spray paint, white calla lilies or amaryllis, tropical greenery, and a statement vase. Pro tip: spray the leaves a day or 2 ahead so the paint fully dries, and leave part of the underside natural for extra dimension. This one usually falls around $35 to $70. 8. The Vintage Apothecary Centerpiece. And for the last one, we're ending with something charming and unforgettable. Imagine a collection of vintage bottles and jars in different shapes and heights, filled with lavender, white florals, rosemary, and soft garden stems. It looks like it came straight from a flower market in the south of France. You'll need vintage bottles, lavender, white snapdragons, cosmos, rosemary, and a tray or mirror base. Pro tip: vary the height and fullness of each bottle. Some should have 1 stem. Some should feel full and overflowing. That contrast is what makes it look intentional and curated. This one is one of the most affordable at around $20 to $45. 8 ideas, 8 looks, 8 beautiful ways to transform your summer wedding tables. And here's what I want you to remember. The most beautiful centerpieces are not always the most expensive. They are the most intentional. When you put thought, creativity, and heart into your decor, people feel it, and that feeling is what makes a wedding unforgettable. So now I want to hear from you. Which one of these centerpiece ideas is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. And if you're planning your wedding right now, tell me your color palette too. If this video helped you, make sure you hit like. It really helps me reach more brides and decorators who need this kind of inspiration. And if you want trusted sources for gorgeous florals, linens, and decor, don't forget to grab my A-list vendor directory in the description. Subscribe, save this video, share it with your bride tribe, and I'll see you in the next one.